everyone, this is Thryss. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys a few things that are up for sale, ready to ship. Now this first one is not. This is a pre-order. This is the Rainbow Zebra pack. This is from the first release of it that are all done and ready and shipping out as we speak. But I am opening up the pre-orders to now have the DK weight version as well as the fingering weight version if there is enough interest. So the DK weight is 231 yards per hank and the fingering weight is 437 yards per hank. You get 6 hanks. It's $150 for the 6-pack. Shipping is included in that, so the breakdown is about $22, $23 per hank. You get quite a bit of yardage. Coming up right now are 2 pictures that I've included. This is credit goes to Jaxie at Creations by Jax. She has worked up this yarn a few different ways, and I wanted to show it to you guys. She did an amazing job. Her work is absolutely beautiful. So these are the only things that are pre-sale. Everything else is ready to go. All the information will be in the description box below on how to order everything. So this is the Mosaic pack. It is 2 hanks of a worsted weight dyed in Melifina's Magic, and then 1 hank of a gray fingering weight. The worsted weight feels fine. The fingering weight is more rustic. This is intended to make a mosaic bucket bag. Yarn and Chai has a really nice pattern I've used many times. We are not in collaboration. That is $45 for that set. Here I have 8 hanks fingering weight, 437 yards per hank of the Emerald colorway. Here I have Lake Days. It is 2 DK weight, 231 yards, 100% superwash merino. That is actually this month's subscription box. And then up next we have 2 fingering weights of Amethyst. Again, it's 100% superwash merino. Lots of different purples are packed in there. All of the hanks are $20, which includes shipping, and I will do a bulk discount if you end up wanting to just, do a clean sweep. I would be okay with that. Okay, so the next one here is number 5, which is Aquamarine. It is also in fingering weight. It's different blues. There are 2 of those that are available. And then this was last month's subscription box. By far, bar none, my favorite release that I've done since starting. This is Avant Andrew. There are so many different colors packed in there. I used 8 or 9 colors, and then other colors were created by those mixing. It's a worsted weight, 187 yards. I only have 1 of those. This one was just something I was playing around with, testing colors and stuff. This one is just blues and greens, all different kinds of blues and greens. It is fingering weight. Again, 437 yards, 100% superwash merino, 19.5 micron. So there is that one. I made these pictures a little bit too long. Okay. This is something Andrew came up with. That video hasn't been released. I'm saving it for a rainy day. But it basically came down to a really dark emerald forest green and brown. It's really pretty. It is a fingering weight as well, 19.5 micron. 437 yards. It only shows 1, but there are 2. I just didn't have the second one on hand, and well, I frankly didn't want to go look for it. I know where it is. I just didn't want to go get it. Okay, this is a whoopsie. So this is what was going to be called mulberry, something to do with mulberry. This is an unreleased colorway. I don't know if this colorway will eventually be released or not, but this was me just playing around with colors, trying to realize the colorway in my head onto the yarn. There's all different kinds of berry colors. There's brown in there. I can add more color to it if you'd like. I can add more brown. So that's what's up. If you are interested, all the information is in the description box below. And the Rainbow Zebra pre-orders, the payments are due by August 1st, and those will all ship out by August 31st. The first set of them was due to ship out August 1st, but they are already going out. They are all already done. So we're going to be beating that timeline by a week, which is awesome. So if you are interested, hit me up, let me know. I would really appreciate it. This is going to go to the Grandbaby Fund. I hope everybody is doing well. See you later.